Welcome to the PayGate PayWeb Magento 1 payment plugin instruction video. You're going to want to head over to github.com, PayGate PayWeb Magento 1 and hit that releases tab. You may have also received a direct link, which is also 100%. Next, you're going to want to download the Magento 1.9.3 PayGate PayWeb 3 plugin 1.0.3. Your version may be newer. This was the latest version at the time of release. After downloading, you're going to want to save that zip into a convenient location. I've saved the zip to my desktop. I'm going to want to extract it. If you don't have a zip application on your operating system, you can jump onto Google and search for unzipping application, and many options will be available to you. Inside this folder, you're going to see your setup instruction PDF, changelog, and an app folder which has the code for this module. But let's go through the installation instructions. We've extracted the downloaded zip, so we can move on to step 2. We're going to need to copy the app folder here into the Magento install, being the Magento root folder /app. Make sure that we merge our files. We don't want to erase the existing app folder because that's going to create headaches for us and break our Magento install. And then after that, we're going to navigate to System Cache Management to clear the cache, and the PayGate module should be visible on System Configuration Payment Method. So let's give that a try. We're going to open our FTP application. We recommend FileZilla as it is the industry standard, but you can use any FTP application. You can also connect via SFTP or directly on the server itself, or even via cPanel File Manager. Please be careful though if you are using a cPanel File Manager or the server, as these methods sometimes do not respect permissions, meaning that the user and group will be wrong. And as Magento is sensitive to this, you will break your install. So we suggest using FileZilla, it just works. What we're going to do is we're going to select upload. As you can see, I'm uploading app from our desktop folder into the document root. And as we are merging the content, we aren't erasing the original app folder. As per the instructions, we're going to go to System, Cache Management. We're going to select all and we're just going to click refresh. We're also going to hit that flush Magento cache button. And we're going to hit the flush cache storage button. We're now going to go to index management. We're going to select all. We're going to say re-index data. And now we're going to go to system configuration. Over here, we're going to scroll down to payment methods. Here we see the PayGate plugin. We're going to just briefly go back to step 3. Which says that we log in and hit payment methods as we've already described. But in order to configure your plugin, simply expand the PayGate settings, enter your preferred data into each field, and click the Save Config button found to the top right of the screen. So, this may already be expanded, but if not, you just click it like that. You can enable the plugin, change the title. Live mode is whether or not you're going to be using the test data. So we're going to say no. We can enter in the default PayGate ID and secret. This is the same as saying live mode no, but when you get your PayGate ID and shared secret, you're going to want to add that here and hit the yes button. Order status is pending for newly placed orders. You can change that. Pending should be the default. You can also change email upon order placement, email upon order completion, send invoice upon order completion, and email upon order failure. All of these options are configurable. You can change the sort order, and then you hit that Save Config button. In theory now, the plugin is set up, so we're going to give it a quick test. Here we are on the checkout page, and as you can see, it says Pay with PayGate. We hit that Continue button. It goes to the order review page. We say Place Order. And as you can see, we are successfully on the PayWeb payment page. The test message has popped up to say that this is a test transaction And you can now enter your test credit card details if you want to try some test transactions. Well done, you've successfully configured PayGate for Magento 1.